Hello, I just want to answer a quick question for Doug here. Hey Paul, on the admin panel where you can see all the different modules in Zoho, is there a way that I can move them around and organise them how it makes sense, or at the very least alphabetically? So I think what you're talking about, Doug, is this, you've got this part here, right? I'm just going to get rid of this tab, because you've probably got a list of these modules as you've put them in. So it's basically as you've installed them, it's probably in that order, or they might just be dragged around. I don't know if you can move them around or not. Your option to do your own tab to make sense to you, you can go to add new tab, Doug's apps, add any tabs you want. So add the first one, just add one for now. So say, so let's just say we're going to do the CRM, right? So CRM and add. So up here now in Doug's tabs, we can see that, you can't actually sort them by name, can you? But you can in the others. So now when you want to get whichever tabs you want to jump across, you just grab it in this corner and drop it on Doug's tabs and drop it, and that will put it in. So if you want campaigns as well, drop it. Which other ones? Desk maybe. Oh, it's a little bit finicky. But if you see the little dots in the corner, grab that and drop it on your name, your tab, and then when you go to your tab, you will see. If you refresh it, you should see them all there. So just refresh it, and then if you want to organise them by name, that'll do it alphabetically. And if you want to move them around, I think you can, probably. Or maybe you can't. So once you've put them in, you can organise them by name and then drop it. Oh, there, look, it does work. It is a bit finicky. So you can drag them around, right? So hopefully that's a quick answer to how to organise your different apps in Zoho ONE. If it's not, ask again or reply to the post I'm about to put. Anybody watching on YouTube, ask your questions Zoho ONE and I'll try and do a quick video for you. Hope that helped. Cheers.